Yeah, man.
Adam's all-purpose cleaner is simply stated by the name. We carried over the same look and feel in terms of fragrance and a color. However, this is much, much stronger than the previous version, and it's easily dilutable to clean a whole variety of surfaces. We're gonna show you today on a engine bay, full strength. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna take our all-purpose cleaner. This is a dry engine. You can apply it to an engine wet or dry, but just for the sake of this video, we're gonna use it dry. All this heavy buildup on the front here, any crud that's underneath there is gonna be removed with the cleaner. Tire and rubber cleaner isn't gonna quite cut all that heavy oil buildup and grime and everything that gets cooked on from the heat. So this cleaner is specifically designed for plastics, for any surface, to just get all of the buildup off of there. As always with engines, when you're cleaning them, you're already gonna have your tools out to clean your wheels and tires, your engine, or your exhaust tips. So we're gonna use those same set of tools to clean the engine bay. One thing I do want to add is all of the plastic underneath here was previously treated with ceramic coating. So with our all-purpose cleaner, it's not going to remove your coating. It's just strictly targeting the grime and buildup on whatever surface you're working on. All-purpose cleaner is perfect for cleaning exhaust. So whether it's carbon buildup or an oil residue or whatever sort of contamination you have on your exhaust, all-purpose cleaner is going to be your go-to chemical for exhaust cleaning. One recommendation, just like wheels, make sure that your exhaust is cool to the touch and cooled down before you put any chemicals on it. If it's a delicate surface like this, or stainless or polished, any chemical that you have that you introduce to a surface when it's hot, it will most likely stain it. And the exhaust is one of the hottest vehicle components, so just be mindful of that. When cleaning your vehicle, you want to make sure you focus on the engine bay wheels and tires and fender wells and your exhaust tips first. When you're washing your car, you want to remove all the heavy particles first and not while you already introduced water to the main painted surfaces and introduced water spots. So we've already cleaned this, we're going to go ahead and rinse it. Another great use for all-purpose cleaner is to clean out your polishing pads. So you don't want to have to go through pads time and time again. So this cleaner is specifically designed to target grime buildup. It's a heavy-duty degreaser. So as compounds get soaked up into your pads, the residues, the buildup, compounds, you name it, it's going to get absorbed into here. So with this cleaner, it's going to work to get down into there, loosen all that material up, and during your rinsing process, make it a breeze to get all of this stuff out of here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit to this bucket and rinse these pads out. Spray the all-purpose cleaner into the pad. We have a dirt lock in the bottom up here, so I'm going to go ahead and agitate this with my hand and then work it along the bottom of the dirt lock and let those fans do some of the work for me. So there's after one quick go of it. Go ahead and wring it out. One last rinse here. Always make sure to air dry your pads. If you use a heating agent or if you throw them in the dryer of your home, sometimes the heat will constrict the pad and have the Velcro be shrunk down. So just let these air dry. I have a red grit guard right here. I'm gonna sit that on top of it and let the air get on the top and the bottom of the pad. Adam's All-Purpose Cleaner is a heavy-duty degreaser. It's built to even contact and remove even the heaviest buildup, grime, contamination in an engine bay, and versatile enough to be diluted down and clean delicate surfaces. So we showed you in this video how to clean exhaust tips, how to do engine bays, but you can clean a wide variety of surfaces, and you can check out our website for a dilution chart on how to properly use the chemical in a variety of ways. We have plenty of cleaners that have specific uses: carpet and upholstery, glass cleaner, leather and interior cleaner, tire and rubber cleaner, all very specific uses. If you're looking for something that just has a very versatile use in one bottle and 1 gallon to carry in your garage just to reach for any use, All-Purpose Cleaner is going to be your new favorite chemical. As always, Adam's All-Purpose Cleaner is 110% satisfaction guarantee, so not only will it clean any surface that you're trying to clean, but it will also blow your mind.